Welcome back to ELEC-ED. In this video, we will discuss the common issues that occur when programming a Arduino and solution for those issues. Let's get started. Issue 1. Incorrect COM port selection. Cause: selecting the wrong COM port in the Arduino ID. Example: uploading fails with this error message. Solution: verify and select the correct COM port from the Tools menu. Issue 2. Incorrect board selection. Issue: choosing the wrong Arduino board model. Example: using the settings for an Arduino Uno while using an Arduino Nano. Solution: ensure the correct board is selected under the Tools menu. Issue 3. Driver issues. Issue: lack of or outdated USB drivers. Example: error message, USB device not recognized when connecting the Arduino. Solution: install or update the necessary drivers for your operating system. Issue 4. Insufficient power supply. Issue: inadequate power supply to the Arduino. Example: the Arduino resets during program upload due to insufficient power. Solution: use an external power source or a powered USB hub. Issue 5. Busy serial port. Issue: another program or process is using the Arduino's serial port. Example: port already in use, error during upload. Solution: close other programs using the serial port and try again. Issue 6. Corrupted bootloader. Issue: the Arduino bootloader is corrupted. Example: continuous resetting of the Arduino, preventing successful uploads. Solution: reinstall the bootloader using an external programmer. Issue 7. Faulty USB cable. Issue: a damaged or unreliable USB cable. Example: intermittent connection issues during upload. Solution: replace the USB cable with a known working one. Issue 8. Memory overflow. Issue: the program size exceeds the available memory on the Arduino. Example: sketch too big, error during compilation. Solution: optimize the code or consider using a board with more memory. Issue 9. Incorrect baud rate. Issue: mismatched baud rate settings. Example: uploading fails with. Solution: ensure the correct baud rate is selected in the ID. Issue 10. Firewall or antivirus interference. Issue: security software blocking communication with the Arduino. Example: uploading is blocked and no error message is displayed. Solution: temporarily disable the firewall or antivirus and attempt the upload. Issue 11. Cause: communication issue between the computer and Arduino. Solution: check the COM port and board settings. Ensure the correct port and board are selected in the Arduino ID. Issue 12. Error opening serial port. Cause: the selected COM port is inaccessible. Solution: verify the COM port availability. Close other programs using the port and check the cable connection. Issue 13. Cause: unable to open the serial port. Solution: check if the correct COM port is selected in the Arduino ID. Ensure no other programs are using the port. Issue 14. Cause: Arduino is not responding to the programming commands. Solution: check the wiring, power supply, and try resetting the Arduino. Ensure the correct board is selected. Issue 15. Cause: incorrect board selection or an issue with the microcontroller. Solution: check the board and microcontroller compatibility. Issue 16. Cause: the compiled code is too large for the selected Arduino board. Solution: optimize the code, remove unnecessary libraries, or consider using a board with more memory. Issue 17. Programmer is not responding. Cause: communication failure between the computer and the Arduino programmer. Solution: check connections, ensure the programmer is properly connected, and consider restarting the Arduino ID. Issue 18. Cause: the uploaded code does not match the compiled code. Solution: recompile the code, check for errors, and try uploading again. Ensure the correct board is selected. Issue 19. couldn't find a board on the selected port, cause the selected COM port is incorrect or the Arduino is not connected. Solution: verify the COM port and ensure the Arduino is properly connected. Check for faulty cables. Issue 20. Timed out waiting for a response from the board. Cause the Arduino is not responding within the expected time. Solution: check the wiring, reset the Arduino, and ensure the correct board and COM port are selected. Issue 21. Cause protocol error during communication with the programmer. Solution: check the wiring, reset the Arduino, and ensure the correct programmer and board are selected in the arduino-ID. Issue 22. Cause communication failure with the programmer. Solution: verify the wiring, reconnect the programmer, and check if the programmer supports the selected Arduino board. Issue 23. Cause USB communication issue. Arduino is not recognized. Solution: check the USB cable and port, reinstall Arduino drivers, and verify the power supply to the Arduino. Issue 24. Cause verification failure during the upload process. Solution: recompile the code, check for errors, and try uploading again. Ensure the correct board is selected. Issue 25. Cause informational message indicating the size of the compiled sketch. Solution: if the size is close to the maximum, consider optimizing the code or using a board with more memory. Issue 26. Cause general initialization failure. Solution: check the wiring, restart the Arduino-ID, and ensure the selected board and COM port are correct. Issue 27. Cause unknown response from the Arduino. Solution: check the wiring, reset the Arduino, and ensure the correct board and COM port are selected. Issue 28. Cause USB tiny programmer not detected. Solution: check the wiring, reconnect the USB tiny programmer, and ensure it is supported by the Arduino-ID. Issue 29. An error occurred while uploading the sketch. Cause a generic error message indicating a problem during the upload. Solution: check the console for more specific error messages. Verify board and port settings. Issue 30. Invalid library found in. Cause an issue with a library included in the code. Solution: remove or update the problematic library. Check library dependencies. Hope this helped you with your work. In next video, I will share about Arduino program exit status. Support us for more content